that problem? It's called an angle grinder.
That's what I just told him. I said, got it.
Look at that. Take the angle grinder and buzz that nut off of it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a special guest here. Maybe you'll recognize him from our Tournament Burma event we did up in Canada in Alberta. Those crazy Albertans were there. Well, he's one of them. Old Avery Schuff.
Oh yeah, we about to get this thing poppin', shout it. Hey, tell the DJ to play that song I like. You know that song I like. Hey, play that song.
Yeah, I'm ice cold, freeze. Give me a little more, please. Fly like the birds and the bees. Pose for the pig, cheese.
Okay, get on here. I got some heat in this thing. You got movement, Dave! I love that. What do you figure, Dave?
I figure that was on there pretty taut.
Good thing I come to visit. You're getting me back. For the last time I showed up, you had to fix my wheel.
That's right.
Okay? Yeah. There you go, my friend. Hey, Dave.
First time on camera.
You know the two happiest days of a boat owner, right?
First day.
Buying it. Second day, selling it. But should have went through here. But anyways.
Well, it's not can't do much.
You think, Avery? Think it's gonna tear, huh?
Why do I know this? I've wrecked a lot of shit in my life. Like a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. And yeah. I've lost a boat before off the back of a truck. Yeah, they sift quite nicely and go right in the ditch and usually end up in a few pieces. Did I mention before that I don't like boats?
What's that little snack you got there?
Oh, cheese. Meat and cheese.
Well, I was gonna wear my Speedo, but you know, somebody from Greenpeace tried pulling me back in. No whales allowed on the beach.
All right, so boats are unloaded. We have the heavy rescue boat, and then we have Brian, Diesel Dave, and the pontoon boat. So Brian, obviously he's a resident here, so he has his personal boat that we're also taking out as just another rescue boat. We also have the jet ski to run back and forth on any like little stupid stuff we don't want to get too close to the beach with. We can run the jet ski up. So the boat is taking on water. It's obviously beached, but the back of it is just water's just flowing in there like crazy. So I brought a pump, hoses, pump it out, get some of the weight out of there, and then use this boat to drag it back out into the lake. So cross your fingers, should be a very simple, easy recovery. Those usually are the ones that last the longest. Also, Alan is here.
Yeah, I was just like the last of everything to say.
In the band. Well, we get to the club at 9:30 with the Mary Jane looking real fine. I open the door, everyone turned to see, well, who's that little lady standing next to me? I take her under my arm and proceed to the stage in a whack. Something slapping me in the face. Pale as a ghost and my mouth open wide with my head on a swivel looking side to side.
Well, guys, we finally did it. Me and Alan are on our own recovery. Nah, I'm just kidding. We got Dave. Some other help on the other boat, but Sparks is not here today. He's on vacation. That's just that you need to have that every once in a while. He's doing his family vacation up in Island Park, and this was a very small recovery, one that he said pretty much go do if you want to. You don't have to, but it's simple, and pretty much said if you guys can't figure this out, you're all fired. So that's where we're at. I just don't want to get fired, mainly. Good thing we left our anchor at the shop.
Avery really likes boats.
I hate boats.
Yeah. He hasn't been on a boat.
To get me out on a boat is a major thing. Like, I'm good.
And you're talking to a guy who used to own a rental company. He rented jet skis and boats.
24 years.
But for some reason, he no longer likes boats. Well, we want to get the pump, so somebody hand me the pump.
It's interesting. It's interesting. It's interesting. It's just interesting. Doesn't look like their motor wants to prime over there with what they got in it.
See, we've stumbled upon a boat that apparently went too far on the beach, but it's also full of water. So step one is we're going to pump out as much of the water as we can, and then we're going to try and put the motor up as high out of the water as we can and pull the front around into the water so they can then float again off into the great distance here. It's a windy day, so it ain't easy keeping this boat stationary. But we've got a good crew over there pumping the water out as fast as can. You got Captain Hands at the helm, man in here, and then as soon as we get the go-ahead, we're going to hook this rope onto the back, and we're going to give her a gentle tug around. The nose is going to come point right into the wind, set sail. That's the plan.
What would be your pirate name?
My pirate name?
Billy!
Billy.
Billy, yeah.
No issue at the moment. We're just waiting for them to finish pumping that out. It's a pretty small little trash pump. It's not very big like the one we had on the last recovery, but she's working. They're able to actually move the boat by hand a little bit, which means it's light and it's obviously not crazy beach. I mean, word on the street is the wind just kind of blew it up there on the beach. It's not like you went in full throttle, so she's not in a horrible situation, but I think just a good little tug. She should come right out, hopefully. We're hooked to the front of that boat, so it should spin it around. Because if we just pull on the back, it's just gonna want to sink that back boat again. Could, man, the little boat that could, just like that.
Is that the answer you're looking for? Just one? So far, so good?
Oh,
So far, so good, ladies and gentlemen.
Tell you what.
Please do.
I'm a swabby, the deckhand! Arr, arr, arr.
Comment below on what Avery's deckhand name would be.
get snatched out of the sky, you can just call me Drone Snatcher.
This is fun. I haven't been on the water in a long time. You know the nice thing about this is? None of it's my problem. Boat wrangling, Dave! Dave, we're boat wrangling! Dave! Hey! Careful, don't get in there.
Come back a little bit there, hand.
Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Both boats on the trailers before this nasty storm's about to hit. It is gonna get nasty real quick. But look at that. That boat, we think there's water getting in the fuel. Just wasn't running ideal, so we just shut her off, played her safe. But we're ready to hit the open road. And now, like I said, this boat literally goes straight over to our yard. Insurance comes out, they look at it, they check it out, and go from there.